Today's video, I'm actually going to head down and do kind of like a little bit of a walking tour here in Boracay, Philippines, and go down to this place called the D Mall and check it out. So this is my driver right here, man. All right, these are called electric trikes. These are pretty neat. So actually where I'm coming from is between leaving station 3 and then going actually up by between station 1 and 2. So be pretty easy. Kind of see what's going around. It's kind of like mid-afternoon, so it's a little bit warm out. But this is kind of the ride along there, along the way. And this is on the west side where I'm going. Away. See some other folks right there. How you doing, man? I'm good. Welcome to Boracay, my friend. Boracay. Vlogger. Vlogger? Yes. Welcome. I'm here in Boracay and enjoy. Awesomeness. So this is Balabag Wetland Park, and I thought I'd kind of start here before I go in the D Mall area, but this is kind of what it looks like in the surrounding area. I just got dropped off by my trike. So this is the surrounding areas. This is probably the busy it is in this location. You know, they got little stores and plenty of ATM machines around here. And a nice lake. I didn't realize how nice it was. Very clean. I gotta go check this sign out. I was here the other night, but I want to get a daytime shot. It's right in front of the D Mall where I'm going. Out, kind of see what they have, and pretty neat. I've been through there in the evening time. They got a little thing out on the outside, but I've covered almost a lot of beach, so I figured I'd cover some simple stuff like shopping type. It's pretty easy to get these little tricycles. I came from station 3 and it runs you about 100 pesos. You know, it's pretty standard price, so go walking in the other side. And this is kind of like a big mixture of almost everything. Places to eat, lots of souvenirs. That looks like Bruce Lee right there. Maybe it is. I kind of plan on walking all the way out to the beach area, so you get an idea where that's at. I mean, it's right here. Let's go check it out. I mean, there's so much to see here. I mean, this whole island, you know, I've actually seen quite a bit, but I thought I'd show, you know, some of the real touristy places. I mean, why not? Some people ask me, oh, what do they have there for, you know, shopping? And so I figure I'd make this video and actually show you. They got a lot of nice restaurants. I mean, so many great places they just go eat. I heard that place is really good, Coco Mama. I saw a line there the other night just to get there, so you can see how popular that is. I just love coming out here and just, I call it a lot of walking tours wherever I'm at, just kind of showing from what I see. A lot of little dessert places. Puto. That looks nice. That's called lechon. If you've had lechon, let me know in the comments. I love lechon. It's really good. Some Filipino desserts. I think one of my favorites is the Maha Blanca. Had that in the hotel the other day. It's so good. This is the NSL. That is my absolute favorite chicken here in the Philippines. If you have not had this chicken NSL, you're missing out on something. Believe me, it is so good. I think a lot of places try to copy it, but you just cannot beat it. And we're almost to the beach, and then we'll turn around and go through some other areas here. Don't want to miss anything.
Some Mexican food.
This comes right out to the beach area, roughly around Station 2. Take a look down. I can never get enough of this view. So you can see how quick it is to go from the road down here. Tell me what you think about this view. How about that? Nice color of the water. And down there, you continue on, you'll hit 3, which is really nice. I was down there the other day. And my first hotel was actually right over here between 1 and 2, and now I'm way up there by 1. And here's a good setting right here. Now, I'm not going to go further down the path, but I'll go inside and get this part. and plenty of shopping. Certainly no shortage of that. And this is only one area of Boracay. I mean, there's a lot of places that you can go shopping at. I'm just showing a small little smidgen of it. You know, if you like this content and it benefits you in any way, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help on my channel, it really does. Let's see, I'll go down here. See what's going on. Not really that big of a place, but big enough. But it's very close proximity to, you know, the beach on the west side. A lot of dried mango. That is really good. I'm gonna have to pick some up before I head to my next destination. Use it for some travel food. Always good. So I'm coming back out where I actually started from, and I'll head down and make a right. Go down that way. So this is just going down the street a little bit from where I just came from, and I'll check it out down there. So you get a little more of a tour on this side.
Hi, sir.
Let's see, what's down here? No. You can never get enough of these. This is like in a really nice chicken place. I'll get that sign. What do you think? I'm not gonna eat here, but I like the sign setup. Pretty cool. Woo-wee! Home of the famous Chicken Joy. I gotta walk down here a little bit more and then turn around. I just kind of want to see what's here. Just keeps going on and on. So what I'm going to do is turn around, go back. It wasn't my intention to go this far, but at least I got to see what's down here. This kind of like goes more toward the 3 area, and I will head back. But it kind of gives you a good sense on what's happening. I always do it because it's like people ask me in the comments or let me know that it's like they're with me when I'm doing these walking tours. I think that's neat because technically you are. back to the hotel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Really had a lot of fun out here. Just kind of exploring around, and we went to the D Mall. That was a lot of fun, just to see what's there. Walked down a few streets. And if this content does help you out, benefits you in any way, you know, please consider subscribing. It really does help out my channel. And I love exploring, and you know, this is just a simple video of this area here that I like to walk around, and I really had a good time. And that park is really pretty. So instead of actually covering the whole beach, although I went out there a little bit, I decided to focus more on the town area. TravelingFrogman. I got a new friend. I've seen him twice now. The man on the motorcycle. Motorbike taxi? Okay. Thanks, my friend. How lucky is that? I ran into him coming here on my little tricycle ride. See how tight these roads are. I'm back to my hotel. Kind of give you an idea what it's like. So see you in my next video. Later.